Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show how you can install WordPress in your local PC by using XAMPP and very easily. So without any further, let's move to the screen and let's see how we can install WordPress in our local PC by using XAMPP. So first we need to go inside the Google and then we will search for XAMPP. Okay, so XAMPP server, and then the first one we will select, and then we will go to this new release. So we will download the latest version. So click on this one, go to download the 64-bit, and here it will say it will download automatically. But if it doesn't download automatically, click here and then you will see there is an option download latest version. I will share this link in the video description so you can easily go through and download. So click on download latest version and then your download will start shortly. So wait for some time and your download has been started. So you can see your download has been started. Okay, after that we will go to another one, that is WordPress download. Okay, next we will download WordPress. So from here we will go to WordPress download and download WordPress, and we will download WordPress 6.2.2, and here you can see my WordPress is also downloading. Okay, so these two files we will download. Now let's see the download folder. So these are the two files that we are going to use to install WordPress in our local host, that means local PC. So just copy these two files and put it somewhere in the save drive. So I'm putting these two files inside this website folder here. So one is XAMPP and one is WordPress. First we need to extract WordPress. So we will extract the WordPress and we will find these WordPress files. Okay, so it is being extracting, so we have to wait for some times. So it has been extracted. Now you can see inside WordPress, these are actually the WordPress files, okay, we are going to use. So just keep it like this for now. Now install this XAMPP. So double click on this one, there's a install option will come. So welcome to XAMPP. You will find a warning, just click OK, then hit next and click next, and then you can see here there is option that it will download in folder C drive in XAMPP. So by default it is in C drive in XAMPP, but be sure that it is written XAMPP folder. Okay, so we will I will change this to another drive because in C drive we use Windows files and all. So I will set up this in H folder. So in H folder just write the letter H, so it will download in the H folder, H:/XAMPP. In this folder I'm going to install my XAMPP, and then hit next, and I will select English, and then you will see setup is now ready to begin install. So next, so now my XAMPP is being installed. So it will take some times, and after it is successfully installed, your PC may restart, and after restarting, if you open PC again, and you will find this XAMPP inside H folder. So here you can see inside H folder we already have a folder named XAMPP, which is being created by this one. So it is extracting, and you can see there are some files right now, and more files will extract after some times. So we will wait for some times so that these files have been extracted. So after restarting our PC, so we will go to this my computer, and we have installed XAMPP in H folder. So we'll go to H, and you can see there is a XAMPP folder. So double click on this XAMPP folder, and then you will see there is an option XAMPP Control Panel. Okay, so here double click on this one and you will select US. So just use save, and then you will see there is two options, Apache and MySQL. So we will run these two server. Okay, so here you can see this two server has been run. It will turn into green. After that, what we need to do, we need to go to admin. In MySQL we will go to admin, and here you can see localhost PHP myadmin. So here is our database for the website. So just click on this database part, and we need to create a database. So let's say we create a database named WordPress. Okay, so we will create a database named WordPress. So just be clear with these steps. So we have created a database named WordPress, and next what we need to do, we need to go to this our website. So the extracted WordPress files that we have extracted from this one, we will just copy this one and then we will put it inside XAMPP. Inside XAMPP there is a folder htdoc, and here we will paste our WordPress files that we have extracted. Okay, so after extracting the WordPress file, so here is the WordPress files that we have extracted. Next we have to go to our server. So here you will see that localhost php myadmin, just remove up to localhost slash and then hit WordPress. Okay, the file name that we have just moved. Okay, so localhost WordPress. So it will load to our WordPress installation part. So here you can see our WordPress installation part has started. Now we will select United States, continue. And here they are saying you need to install your database name, your username and database password. So let's go. So our database name was WordPress that we have created right now. So it is WordPress database name. Then username. So we will keep the username root. So be sure to keep the username root. Password we will just leave it blank and then hit submit. And here they will say run the installation. So we will click on run the installation. All right, now we need to give our site title. So let's say I gave my site title Lancer code, and username, just keep user. For the password, I am using PASS, and confirm using weak password, and email address, I am putting my email address, and then install WordPress. So our WordPress has been installed and it will say us to log in. So we have used our username user and password is pass. So we have used this password. So just hit login. And say our WordPress has been installed in our localhost WordPress wp/myadmin. And if you go and visit site, this is our site for now, default WordPress site. And then if you want to see the dashboard, here is the dashboard for our WordPress. Okay, now let's say let's log out from here, and let's say I shut down my PC and everything. Okay, so I stop this servers, I shut down my PC, and again I restart my PC. Now how I will get access to this WordPress? So same way, go to my computer, go to the full drive there where you have installed XAMPP, go inside XAMPP, then go to XAMPP control, and then be sure these two Apache and MySQL is started, and then go to admin. From here then you will see localhost php myadmin. Just remove this slash and go to WordPress and hit enter, and here is your site. Now how you will go to the admin panel of this site? Just after WordPress, write wp/admin, and it will take you to the login page, and here you will give your username and your pass and hit login, and then it will take you to your dashboard, and you can see this is our website. So after that we will see how we can install themes, so here by default it is this theme. So if we activate this theme, then you will see our site has changed to something else. So we will talk about themes, plugins and everything more in further videos. So if you like this video, do subscribe the channel so you don't miss the further videos. Hope you all enjoyed the video. So if you enjoyed this video, do subscribe the channel so you don't miss the further videos in this channel. See you all in the next video.